Changing your primary email on Pendo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Pendo account. Access the Pendo platform by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have your current email and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it, then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access email preferences. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Email Preferences or Profile. Click on it to view your current email settings. Step 4. Update your primary email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or new address to verify the update. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary email on Pendo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Pendo support for assistance.